Tired of digging through endless organization lists in Pipedrive? You know the drill. You're trying to find a specific group of companies, and you keep scrolling and scrolling through a massive drop-down menu. It wastes time, and it's frustrating when you're in the middle of a busy workday. But here's the good news. Learn how to favorite your most used filters and access them instantly with just one click. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add an organization filter to your favorites in just a few clicks. We're going to walk through it together, step by step. All right, let's start by opening up Pipedrive. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. We're going to be working from the main dashboard here. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a sidebar menu. I want you to click on Contacts. That's your starting point. Once you've done that, a submenu should appear right underneath it. And from that submenu, go ahead and select Organizations. So now we're on the Organizations page. Give it a second to fully load. I've noticed that if you rush ahead and try to click things before everything's done loading, sometimes the interface can lag a little bit. Just a quick pause here ensures everything is responsive. Once the page is settled, look for the Filter button. It's usually somewhere near the top of the list or right above the organization names. Go ahead and click that button. A drop-down menu will appear. You might see a few different options here, but what we're looking for is a tab that says Filters. Click on that tab. Now here's where we get specific. You're going to see a list of all your available organization filters. This is the same long list you've been scrolling through before, but we're going to fix that. Locate the filter that you use the most, or the one you want quick access to. And here's the really important part. Right next to the name of that filter, you should see a small star icon. It might look like an outline of a star. Click that star icon. Now, be patient for just a moment. You'll see the star icon change. It will become fully highlighted, usually turning a solid yellow or a bold color. That's your confirmation. The system just saved that filter to your favorites. I've tested this exact sequence before, and that visual highlight is the key thing to watch for. So now that we've got that set up, let's see it in action. Back on the main organizations page, click the Filter button one more time. This time, look for a section or a tab that says Favorites. And there it is. Your chosen filter is sitting right there at the top. No more digging through the entire list. Go ahead and click on that favorite filter. You'll see the page instantly update, showing you only the organizations that match that specific criteria. One click, and you're done. That's the transformation we were talking about, from hunting and scrolling to instant access. That's really all there is to it. It's a small change in your workflow, but it saves you a surprising amount of time over the course of a week. Thanks for watching, and I hope this little trick helps you work a bit more efficiently in Pipedrive.